Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're sharing our ideas for decorating safari-style interiors. Safari-style interior design, also referred to as African-inspired design, draws inspiration from the stunning landscapes, diverse cultures and captivating wildlife of Africa. Safari-style encompasses a wide range of elements, combining traditional and contemporary African art, handcrafted decor, eco-architecture, locally sourced textiles and more. The aim is to recreate the ambience of a safari lodge within the home, fostering a space that exudes warmth, a sense of adventure, and establishes a strong connection with nature. Colour palette. Safari style emphasises warm earth tones like brown, taupe, beige, tan, warm grey, khaki and olive green, mirroring the African landscape. Complementary hues include gold and brass accents, rusty reds, burnt orange and shades of blue. Architectural features. Safari-style architecture harmonises with the natural surroundings, often incorporating materials such as stone, wood, light canvas, glass, and textured finishes like plaster or stucco. Other architectural features include thatched roofs constructed using local grasses and reeds, stone cladding, carved wooden doors, hardwood beams made from mahogany, leadwood or teak, open floor plans to create a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, large windows and sliding glass doors to maximise natural light and airflow. And expansive verandas and outdoor living spaces. Flooring. In safari-style homes, flooring is designed to evoke a laid-back and rustic feel. Some popular choices include warm-toned hardwood floors or concrete for a more contemporary look. To soften these flooring choices, you can incorporate sisal, jute or seagrass rugs, raffia carpets or mats, oriental area rugs, soft Berber rugs or chunky knotted woolen rugs. Lighting. Next, introduce warm-toned lighting, layering a combination of ambient, accent, task and mood lighting. Some ideas include woven ceiling lights made from rattan, bamboo or sisal, black metal and glass pendants, decorative chandeliers adorned with beads, shells or other handcrafted details. Floor and table lamps made from wood, glass, leather, chalky ceramic or brass, beautiful metal lanterns, and an abundance of candlelight. Window treatments. Safari-style window treatments aim to maximise natural light whilst maintaining a connection with the outdoors. Popular choices include sheer or light-coloured curtains, wooden shutters, traditional Roman or tent roller blinds, and lightweight bamboo or woven shades. Now that we're halfway through the video, if you're enjoying it so far, please press the like button and subscribe, as this is the main way you can support our channel. Furniture. Safari-style furniture is casual and functional, featuring rustic pieces with a natural or distressed finish. Some key pieces to look for include mahogany or dark brown wood and brass campaign furniture, leather armchairs and sofas, canopy beds, reclaimed wood tables and stump stools, portable furniture such as folding director's chairs, safari chairs, trestle tables and campaign chests or trunks. Canvas and wood armchairs, and rattan furniture including lounge sets, Malawi chairs, side tables and bar carts. Texture and materials. The interplay of textures is a core feature of this style. Materials like linen, cotton, sisal, leather, wood, rattan, stone and bamboo add depth and tactile interest to the design. Geometric patterns and animal prints such as leopard, zebra or giraffe patterns can be incorporated through upholstery, table linen, rugs or throw pillows. You'll also find hand-loomed fabrics and other African-inspired textiles such as kuba cloth, batik, mud cloth and wax print fabrics. Lastly, you'll find beautiful bed canopies crafted from high-quality, lightweight linens, muslins and cottons. Artwork and mirrors. Popular safari-inspired artwork includes large contemporary African art and textiles, and tribal masks and sculptures made from wood, metal, clay, stone or feather. You can also introduce a gallery or focal wall showcasing large-scale black and white photography, or paintings depicting local animals, framed landscape photography, vintage maps and botanical prints. Lastly, look for mirrors with frames of faux bamboo, rattan, leather, wood or metal. Accessories. When it comes to accessories, introduce a combination of handcrafted, vintage, antique and contemporary pieces. For something loved, ideas include safari hats, collections of seashells or coral, old books, small drums, rattan and leather accents, old globes, binoculars and chalky ceramics. For something with lustre, ideas include magnifying glasses, hammered metal trays, brass candle holders, barware, vases and trinket dishes. Living energy. Lastly, introduce living energy with dried grasses, driftwood, palm leaves, ruscus, fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, snake plants, bird of paradise, protea flowers and more. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these safari-style design tips in your own home. And let us know in the comments below if you've ever stayed in a safari lodge. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.